Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're checking out a VR accessory for your Meta Quest 2 headset. This is the charging dock for Quest 2, made by Kiwi Design. It is also made for Meta, has that stamp of approval by Meta. It meets their high quality standards, so this is going to work flawlessly with your Quest 2 headset. It retails for $70 American on the Kiwi Design website. You can use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, to get an extra 5% off of your purchase. In this one I'm going to unbox it. I'll show you how it works. I will also show you how it works with the SPC battery head strap for your Quest 2, and then I'll give you my review of it here in the end as well. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, I encourage you to do so. I'll link that playlist below. Let's jump into this one. Okay, here we have the charging dock for the Meta Quest 2, and again, as you can see there, it is made for Meta. So let's get this out of here. Okay, so it's all out of the box. So if you didn't see in this small box here, it actually says what was in it. So there's a battery cover ×2, USB-A wall charger, USB-A to USB-C cable, magnetic USB-C headset connector, and 2 rechargeable AA batteries. So you can see that all here. I'll unravel some of that stuff there. It had this nice pull tab to get it out of the box. First impressions, this is actually, I guess, smaller and sleeker than I thought it would be, which is kind of nice. And I thought it was going to be kind of that shiny white like the Quest 2 is, but it's actually got a little bit of gray to it here, which is nice. And yeah, so we got the 2 charging ports for our controllers there. We have our charging port for our headset. Got a USB-C port on the back. I'm assuming that's to give this whole thing power. We have a power button on the front, and then this will be to control our lights, and you can see the light bar underneath there as well. Charging dock for Meta Quest 2. Okay, so inside of this box here, we're going to bring out a couple of things. So here we have our new battery covers for your controllers, and as you can see, those are going to be what connects to the charging ports right there. So we'll set those up here. And then inside of this little bag here, this is going to be our connector that goes into the USB-C port in your headset. That'll connect right there magnetically to charge your headset. Now I'm going to show you a different way that you can charge here in just a minute as well. Then we got our cord here. USB-C to regular USB, USB-A. Our rechargeable batteries, which can go in there, and our power adapter that you're going to use here as well. So it's all in there very nicely. So in terms of assembly, there's not much to assemble with this. What we do need to assemble here is our controllers. So I do have the Kiwi controller grips on here, so I'm going to have to pop these down. Okay, once you have the batteries out and the battery covers off, then you can take these rechargeable batteries here and you can install them. Now you can see that they have metal parts that are kind of exposed there. It's going to be important that we place those in the right spot. So as we are putting these in, I'm going to make sure that these are facing outwards right there. Put it in. Now you can see on here we have these 2 spots here that are going to need to connect with our batteries there to charge them. So you're going to want to make sure that they're facing up closer to the edge here, because that's where they're going to be connecting. Again, facing up close to that edge there. And there you go. Those controllers are now ready to go into your charging dock. We'll come back to those in just a minute here. So now with your headset, if you want to use this magnetic port, that's just going to go right in there, and then that's going to, as you set it on, magnetically connect to the charging dock there and charge your headset. Now if you have the battery, the SPC battery head strap, which means single point charging, it already has that piece, as you can see, right built into the head strap cord. and so I can have this plugged right in there. And now when this connects to the charging dock there, that's going to charge both the headset and your battery head strap at the same time. So with this dock, you're going to be able to charge your controllers, headset, and your battery head strap all at the same time. Basically wirelessly, right? You're going to have one wire that's giving the whole charging dock power, but you have no wires going to anything, which is actually really nice. You can set it on, and then you can just take it off when you're ready to go. Everything's magnetic, so you don't have to worry about something pulling or being disconnected that way. All right, let's fire this up. Now it has little controller signs in there. Here's my left controller. Now you can see a little light lit up there. It's orange, so that means that it's charging. We'll do the same with this one. There we go. Orange as well, so that is charging. All right, I'm going to turn it sideways so I can get a better view. Oh. Okay, and now I don't know, you might just barely not be able to see. They've all lit up orange now, those 3 lights at the front here, and so it's showing that they are all charging. Now, you probably can't see it as well. Maybe if I turn off this light. You can see it on my hand there. We got purple light showing through there. That turns it off. That was the power button there. There we go. Turn it back on. Charging is resumed. It's got 17 different light configurations there. Now I'm not going to go through all of them with you, but they're all in that user manual if you'd like. Alright, so our charge time for one of these is 1 hour for 40% charge, 2.5 for a full charge. I guess I should note here, you can see that this light is blinking here. That's showing that this is charging as well as your headset. So this is really your all-in-one charging station, controllers, headset, head strap as well, which is super nice. Okay, I'm going to let this go for a little bit, and then I will come back and give you my review of it. Alright, so here's the dock setup. I wanted to put these on and show you putting them on. I like to wrap the cords just down around here. Then we can also put our headset on. So this one I have the SPC battery head strap, and so that has the charging port right, magnetic charging port connected to the USB-C port there, so that's automatically charging. Otherwise you can use that insert that comes with it as well. So in terms of a charging dock, nice and sleek. I like that it charges. Headset, if you have the SPC, the battery head strap, and the controllers as well. There are some stands that are just stands, they don't charge anything. Some other stands just charge the headset, not the controllers. This is your all-in-one. Very nice design here. The different colors that show up on the bottom, those are always fun to play with as well. You can check out all those different colors. I'm not going to show you all 17 right now, but they have them all there. I like that it comes with the rechargeable batteries for the controllers. So they are 1700 mAh. That's about almost double of what some other ones are that I've received. Some other ones that have came with other charging stands are only 1000 mAh. That's almost double. So I like that they are longer lasting, and by putting them on here, they're never really going to die on me anyways, because I don't play for that long at a time, usually just an hour or two if I'm lucky. Price point we are looking at, just for the charging dock, we're looking at $70 US. If you're interested in combining it with the SPC head strap, you can get the combo for $130 US. Separately, if you buy them separately, it would cost you $150, so they do save you a little bit of money. If you want to use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, that will get you 5% off on their website as well. If you have any questions about anything to do with the charging dock, or in fact like the SPC battery head strap, this combo, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments or send me a message. I'm more than happy to answer all of those. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.